Okay, let's get right into it because we are about to bust one of the biggest myths in military homeownership. A lot of people think that powerful VA home loan benefit is a one and done deal. Well, today we're going to prove that's just not true. So here's the big question, right? Can you actually use a VA loan more than once? If you've served, I'm willing to bet you've heard the chatter. Maybe someone told you, hey, it's a use it and lose it benefit. It's a question that could literally change your entire financial future. Well, we don't have to guess. This right here, this is straight from the Department of Veterans Affairs. They put it in black and white. The VA home loan is a lifetime benefit. And look at that key phrase, multiple times. So the official source says yes. So there you have it. The answer is a definitive yes. You can absolutely 100% use your VA loan benefit again and again. So the real question isn't if you can, it's how you can. Think of this as your guide to unlocking a really powerful lifelong tool. We're going to walk through exactly how this benefit is designed to support you throughout your entire homeownership journey, not just that first step out the gate. So how is all this possible? Well, it all comes down to one core concept. It's like the master key to reusing your VA loan. It's called your VA loan entitlement. And you know what? Understanding this is everything. So, what is this entitlement thing? It's basically the VA's promise to your bank. They guarantee a chunk of your loan, which makes the lender feel a whole lot safer. That guarantee is what convinces banks to give you those incredible terms, like that famous zero down payment. It's not a loan from the VA, it's a guarantee by the VA. Now, this entitlement thing actually has two layers. You've got your basic or tier 1 entitlement, which covers smaller loans. But look, home prices have gone up a bit since then, right? So the VA added what's called bonus or tier 2 entitlement. This is the extra horsepower that makes those zero down purchases possible in pretty much any market today. The absolute best way to think about this is your VA entitlement is not a one-time use coupon that you just tear out and throw away. No way. It's a rechargeable financial tool. You use it, and then you can restore it to full power for your next mission. Okay, so let's start with the most common path, the one most service members and veterans take to reuse this benefit. I like to call it the restore and go method. It's pretty much the standard operating procedure for buying your next home. It's a really straightforward three-step process. First, you sell the home you bought with your VA loan. Second, you use that money to pay off the mortgage completely. And third, you just apply for a full restoration of your entitlement. And just like that, poof, you're back to 100% ready to buy your next home with zero down. But what if you don't want to sell? What if that first home is actually a great investment? Well, this leads us to the advanced path, a really powerful strategy for building wealth that honestly a lot of people don't even know is an option, keeping your current home and reusing your benefit. I mean, this is a total game changer for military families. You get those PCS orders and you don't have to sell. You can turn that first house into a rental property, start generating passive income, while using your remaining VA entitlement to buy a new primary home at your next duty station. It's how you can literally own two homes at once, both with a VA loan. So how does the math on that even work? Let's walk through this example. It's simpler than it looks. Let's say on a previous $200,000 loan, you used $50,000 of your entitlement. Okay, you just subtract that from the total guarantee you have, and you've still got over 158 grand left. Now here's the magic. That remaining power is enough for the VA to guarantee a new loan of up to $632,000 with $0 down. Now, I gotta warn you, you might run into some skepticism. As this expert points out, a lot of lenders just aren't familiar with the ins and outs of this, and they might incorrectly tell you it's impossible. This is exactly why working with a VA loan specialist is so important. They know the rules. They can make this happen. And you know, the reusability of the VA loan is just the start. This program has other incredibly powerful and often overlooked features. Let's just run through a couple more of these myth-busting facts that can save you a ton of money. Here's a huge one. The VA itself does not have a minimum credit score requirement. So if you get denied by one lender because of your score, it's because of their rules. They're called overlays. Another lender down the street might approve you. Don't let one no stop you from shopping around. This is one of my favorites. A seller can pay for all of your standard closing costs, title fees, points, all that stuff. And the VA puts no cap on that amount.
But on top of that, they can also give you concessions up to 4% of the sales price, which you can use to pay down your debts, cover the VA funding fee, or even buy out of a lease you're in. It's amazing.
Let that sink in for a second. Just imagine buying a home with almost no cash out of pocket because the seller covered everything. Now imagine them also paying down your car loan or credit card to help you qualify for the mortgage. I mean, come on, that is a level of flexibility you just don't find with other loans.
All right, let's recap the big stuff here. Number one, your VA loan is a reusable lifetime benefit. Number two, entitlement is that rechargeable key that makes it all work. You can either restore it fully by selling or use what's left over to buy again, which means, yes, it is possible to hold 2 or even more VA loans at once. The bottom line is, this program is way, way more flexible than most people realize.
So we've established it. The VA loan isn't a one-time gift. It's a renewable, strategic tool that was designed for your entire career and beyond. So the only real question left is, now that you know what it can do, what's your next move?